Hey everybody, sorry it's been so long. I just got back from a job interview, so I'm looking a little bit spiffy right now. So if I unbutton my shirt. So what do you say I go ahead and change and get out of the dress clothes, and we can go take a peek at how the greenhouse is doing. See how all the plants are doing. Sound good? Let's do that. Well, I wish I would have caught it on camera. I opened the greenhouse door and about had a heart attack. I haven't been out here in a few days, so let me show you what I see. Oh my goodness. So here was the snapdragons that we took care of last time, and see how they're all standing straight up looking fantastic. These are all my little petunias that were itty bitty about that tall about a week and a half ago. So I actually think I'm gonna plant these today outside. I've got, wow, I don't know if these are my melons or my, what are these? Cucumbers. Got flowers on them already. I'm gonna pinch those off actually, so the plants grow more and they don't start going to fruit yet. But the tomatoes are gigantic. They're gonna go into the ground within the next week. Peas are all falling over on themselves. Look at this, I got sunflowers as long as my arm. Everything looks amazing. Here's some more flowers, some more of the snapdragons that we took care of, delphiniums, excuse me, more tomatoes, some onions. What do we got down here? Some bell peppers, look at all the bell peppers. More onions, these need to get transplanted quick. What we got here? Great Northern beans, broccoli, more peas that are coming over this way actually. Asparagus that needs to get switched out. So this is all going to go in the ground very soon. It's really hot in the greenhouse. I know I'm a big dude, but I'm sweating. So here's the plan. Not this week, but next week, I'm going to build planter boxes, raised beds. Because the idea is we're going to take my backyard and all this area right here is all going to be raised beds. So all along here, I'm going to have a raised bed here, and we have another one here, and another one here. And in between them, I'm going to have arches coming up for the cucumbers and the beans and the peas to grow on. So all of this area is going to be transformed into a little mini farm. Along the garage over here by the pool, and yes, I need to cut the grass. I'm going to do that today. Here, I think I might put some raised beds along here to do strawberries. Over next to the patio here, I'm going to make, they're going to be pallets, and they're going to have some chicken wire on them, so they're going to be raised up. So here along the patio, I'm going to have some really pretty vining flowers coming up and kind of build like a little wall next to the patio. And then right here along the fence behind me, all along the fence here, I'm going to make some more raised beds, and I'm going to have my zinnias all along the fence. So they're going to be all along this way where the no grass is growing. I'll have small little raised beds there with all the zinnias. So I'll have all my pollinators here surrounding the yard for all the vegetables. And then this little patch right here, which was my little garden last year, I'm going to till all this up. And this gets all kinds of wonderful sun all day long. So I'm going to have my peppers here. And I think they'll do really, really well. So the greenhouse will be done. I'll take that down and pack it in. And this area, like in front of the, I mean, towards the fence, in front of the air conditioner, I'm going to make that the melon patch. So I have my melons there. And then all this area I'm going to do the green peppers, maybe some of the broccoli out here. And then in the raised beds over here, I'll have the tomatoes. I still have carrots I need to put in, beans and peas. There's another spot I want to focus on though. I don't know if I'll be able to get away with doing this or not, but I'm going to try. If we come out into the alley behind the garage, see this area here behind the garage. What I'm going to do here is I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a frame out of like some 1x1, just some scrap wood, and put chicken wire on it and bolt it to the back of the garage here. Maybe to the back of the fence after I get it fixed. And out here I'll grow some more cucumbers and peas and beans out here, because I've got all this space that never gets used. So that's the plan, guys. I remember saying in the first video, I want to show you how I don't have a whole, acres and acres of land. I want to show you how to grow food in just a regular suburban setting. And I live in a city. And as you can see, it's just a regular neighborhood. There's no farmland or anything sitting where I'm at. So what I plan on doing is turning, geez, I'm melting out here. Is turning my my place into a little miniature farm. So that's the point of the YouTube page, is so we can all learn to garden together and make a better garden. Learn how to utilize the space the best. So what I'm going to do now is I obviously need to cut the grass. I'm going to start planting some flowers, but there's one more thing I want to show you. So let's go back in the house. Even though I have the greenhouse set up outside, I still have my indoor growing setup going. So here's something I just started. I want to know if anybody else does this or has considered doing it, and see how your success was. In case you're wondering what you're looking at, yes, I am growing my own sod indoors. There's a few places outside that I'd like to patch up. So I figured I had these trays left over, and since the lights are still hooked up in here, why not? Has anyone tried doing this before? Any other crazy people tried growing their own sod indoors? I thought it was a great idea. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated on the Facebook page about that. I don't think I'll do another video per se on it. I'll post some photos though. But here's the zinnias. They're looking great. There's 500 of them there, so they'll be going outside next to the fence pretty soon. Got some more petunias started here. Down here I've got More stuff started even still here. Some more sunflowers, zucchini, morning glory, snap peas, all kinds of other stuff going. So that's the garden update for today. Again, I apologize for not making a video. It's been about a week, I think, week and a half. But it's absolutely looking great. And oh, it's dripping on me. It's so hot and humid in here. This little greenhouse was absolutely a fantastic purchase. I'm glad I picked this up. Again, that's the update for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the grass and get these flowers planted because they're huge. They're gonna be looking beautiful soon. So thanks again for taking this journey with me. I hope to hear from all of you. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know how your gardens are started this season. And I will talk to you again very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Let's go garden.